battery power, fast charging, wireless tech, and health myths. The science of fast charging, wired. Fast charging is now a mandatory feature, drastically reducing the time a smartphone spends tethered to an outlet. To understand how it works, we must first look at the fundamentals of electrical power. Power, or wattage, W, is calculated by multiplying voltage, V, by current, I, watts, is equal to, volts, asterisk, amps. Boosting the power triangle. Fast charging increases the wattage by either significantly raising the voltage or increasing the current, or both. Many older charging systems relied on low voltage and low current. Modern fast chargers, such as those supporting USB power delivery, USB PD, or proprietary standards like Super VOOC, use smart communication chips to safely deliver high power, often 30W to 120W, to the battery. The two charging phases. To prevent damage, fast charging is not constant. It is most effective in the first phase, the constant current, CC, stage, where the battery rapidly charges to about 50 to 80%. Once the battery voltage reaches its peak safe level, the system enters the constant voltage, CV, or trickle, phase, where power delivery slows down significantly to safely top off the remaining percentage. Wireless charging, the cable-free future. Wireless charging works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. It allows devices to receive power without a physical connection, simply by being placed on a compatible charging pad. The key standard and Key 2. The most widely adopted standard is Key, pronounced Qi, governed by the Wireless Power Consortium, WPC. Both the charging pad, transmitter, and the phone, receiver, contain coils. When the pad is powered, its coil generates an oscillating magnetic field which, in turn, induces a current in the phone's receiving coil, charging the battery. The newer Key 2 standard adds a magnetic alignment feature, like MagSafe, ensuring perfect coil-to-coil contact for faster, more efficient charging and minimizing wasted energy. Debunking battery health myths. The lithium-ion batteries in today's smartphones require smart management, and many common beliefs about charging are outdated or incorrect. The 80% rule and avoiding extremes. The most crucial factor in battery longevity is avoiding high voltage stress. This happens when the battery is fully topped off to 100%. Therefore, one of the best habits is to avoid leaving your battery constantly at 100% and to keep the charge level ideally between 30% and 80%. It is perfectly safe to charge in short bursts throughout the day. The enemy is heat. The single biggest factor that degrades battery health is heat. Using your phone for demanding tasks, like gaming or streaming, while simultaneously fast charging it, or leaving it to charge in direct sunlight, generates excessive heat. Always remove thick cases and keep your phone cool during charging to maximize its lifespan. Modern phones use software to adjust charging speeds if the temperature rises dangerously high.